All right, this is number 20. Again, I was trying to get lights on and work around some folks that are cleaning. Nice flooring. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just a little over 1,000 square feet. Little kitchen dining area right here as you walk in. Again, the older cabinets. The older appliances. But some of the upgrades that they've done here are nice. The color scheme and the flooring. Nice little bar area. You could extend that out even further if you had some brackets and did some nice granite to make that really a nice wide bar area. Cool thing about this space is there's the pool. And so that's not the pool that was across from 94. This is actually a better proximity to the beach. It's just a little bit closer to South Forest Beach. So it's got a nice little deck area, and again, being right by the pool is awesome. Having a good bit of this done is great. Now they didn't scrape the ceilings, but I don't know if that's a huge deal. The bathroom, nice vanity, mirror, and fixture. It's well done. There is a little, I'm guessing this is, yeah, that's locked. Like a little owner's storage area. Again, not quite as big as the 3 bedrooms, but this carpeting I would be replacing. And you come up at the top of the stairs, you have stackable washer dryer. And again, they're cleaning, so. And then this bedroom has 2 twins. And the bath, I'm not a wallpaper fan, Brad, can you tell? By my whispering disdain for wallpaper, for at least dated wallpaper, but not bad. And then there is, I'm sorry for it being dark, there we go, this little closet with a pocket door. Again, I would definitely do something about the carpet. And then the master, again, the shades are drawn, but the light is good back here. And we go into the master bath. That is a single vanity tub. And it does have wallpaper, but again, it's not a total redo. So I will do an exterior for you of number 20.